So my people, I just want to talk something. This one when I see her for social media and the thing touch me. I want to make this very woman that they call KO family understand say nobody get metropolis abi whatever towards social media or monopoly towards social media. Everybody get right for social media. Anyone you just see person they do something good or nice or whatever, your own at all to the call social media. They talk anyhow. Now Mother KO family abi whatever you call yourself. I don't they follow you for long. When you tell they do all this rubbish, they talk to people anyhow. Me and say, I don't follow you for long. Now, the truth of the matter, make I ask you this question. My people more like here, what made me they won't argue this one. Where your husband, your Igbo man, will come out for suffer, will come out for suffer. Where he did, after you born children for the man, you know say the man don't get, he get money and property. You can't do finish poison the man. When you poison the man finish, family now they ask you of autopsy. You begin to hide up at that. That one are point number one when they ask you. Because my people you sabi dig. Now I won't help you they dig your own come side. Because when you go they talk, they do pa. Because you call yourself lady, I don't understand. Anyone who get your mouth as your mouth don't get basket man, you just the fatality they come outside. Make me fair ask you. Your husband when you marry so KO family, that white man come out for suffer. Where the man, what do you do the man? Provide the autopsy, give the family people. When you take poison, the white man died, the innocent white man take poison and die. Provide that. Then number two again, the Babalawo will come online recently when they blast you, when you call go screenshot, it matter, call poster for social media. KO family. When you do finish, the man they tell you what now you can't begin they say now do this all the time. When the man tell you say the die will kill your mama now you go see kill you. In fact this way go happen to you go worse past anything like that. KO family number 2 points. So anybody when you see you just they talk in matter. Now Babalawo doesn't face you now you screenshot you open for his side. Now you not the fear why you go post up for Facebook say the man reject you. You say you get mad, you call yourself, say you be woman, you work man can do better so that you got the provoke pass. What about that one? No, but I won't first, my people, I like this matter because as I did tell me, so my anger they increase, they provoke. I'm ready to press on for this woman head. Get lost a distance and barrier between me and her. If not now, you should me and her for the get for this one. Because anything come back, you're not the talk anyhow. Number three, make I ask you, people must not guess. Once you see say that they get Bobby, if they get something, when they carry. They go abroad, they go do a shower. So because you they come do juju for year, take the control. Some of the guys when you not settle well, some of them when you they enslaved for prostitution over there for abroad. You don't even ask yourself. So man, very soon one of the guys already see right me with that. Some of them that your matter, the second video, your matter will come outside. Some of them will do video and you go they face you one on one because I mean to the blast people. Anybody who see they do good because you go blast them. Now I tell you, I like quarrel past fights. I talk for a living. Don't be talk. You go see you all don't talk too much. No. I'm not the quick plan person like this, but you wanna plan you fully come. KO family plan you come. Then number 4, after you kill that white man finish, waiting make you go carry your Agbo boyfriend where they supply you dead body water. Go marry and go abroad. Because now they supply dead body water. As the white man die now you do finish, you can't go marry him. From Agbo or your Agbo boyfriend. But people now you the lie one dig. I'm gonna think all of them they come outside. You don't see end for there. You know end for there. Make I just tell you. People should dress so when you say you tell they do prostitution, they collect steady dead body water, till they do juju and the rest. So till they hold your progress and everything down. When we say now people you they dig and you they forget your own. So me, I won't help this all you want people do online to do. Because you don't get free Wi-Fi when you they use. So if you say that as mean in Nigeria here you did, I should say free Wi-Fi, no say free drink, they worry people where they drink come in and they know the value. So you're not gonna know the value of free Wi-Fi or data when you they use over there. Call Nigeria here whether you go fit get free data. But I'm gonna tell you, the money I say they buy data alone, till they enter social media and they walk out and they sweat and you open mouths. Where's the joy tell your mind, you just carry the talk. My people make I tell you something. Make I tell you something. Avoid people like KO family. When they go come meet you, come they say, carry my pikin go abroad. Is the only daughter or whatever. So because he won't make a greener pasture, won't make a better living. People like KO family, a big K-leg family, they not be better people. They go frustrate your pikin, put her for a shower, do prostitution. Avoid them. People like this say KO family, my people. Make una see avoid them, that their body water, they tell them to eat medicine, But I find out, I mean, they tell them, and they want to not be better person. Because they all to the gossip. They talk anything when they like. Because I'm not allowed to gossip. Allow the word finish, make God judge all of us. But you also not be so. You talk any about people and you know you are your bad dirty. Before you come out something from people, first come off your own first. First come out something from people, So your own plan is to collect document finish, make you dey okay finish, then you go delete the man, kill her just like that. With poison. Man, I tell you, the family of the white man when you go poison kill, so they still they find you. They still they find you. Provide the autopsy, waiting kill their pikin, they won't know. They won't know, not they hide. If you call yourself woman wey get mind, you submit to the dig people matter, they come outside. Provide that. You dey hear me? They are not those small guys when they go to a shower walk, tell they do different things. So make you when they carry they go abroad, tell you they help people, they're going to tell you thank you for years. You know what I'm saying? The evil what they do over there, you high pass the thank you what they do for years. So you call yourself KO family. Who will give you that name, self? I blame that person. I think I will cause the day to say I go follow you for social media as one of your followers. I think that you be better person. Tell people when they make you carry small boy like me from Agbo wey be your boyfriend. Go marry when your husband die not quiet long. Go marry small boy. So now your plan with that. My person, if they want this video, share and multi-rich KO family and make it reach her hand. Return, pop. Come. Don't make me first now for you. On way. When you poison the man finish, family now they ask you of autopsy. You begin to hide up at that. That one are points number one when they ask you. Because my people you sabi dig. Now I won't help you to dig your own come aside. Because when you go to talk, they do pa. It's also you call yourself lady, I don't understand. Anyone who gets out your mouth, as your mouth don't get basket man, you just the fatality they come aside. Make me fair ask you. The husband when you marry so KO family, that white man come out for suffer. Where the man, what do you do the man? Provide the autopsy, give the family people. When you take poison, the white man died, the innocent white man take poison and die. Provide that. Then number two again, the Babalawo will come online recently when they blast you, when you call go screenshot, it matter, come post that for social media. KO family. When you do finish, the man they tell you what now you can't begin.
Thank you guys for watching. I will be coming back with more video, more gist, more updates. Bye bye guys. Love you guys.